Hello, my name is Jamil Ahmed and I have been working as a freelance jet analyst and BI coach. So in this video, I will teach you how to calculate days to ship. Means many employers wants to know how much time it is taking to fulfill their orders. While they want to calculate the time, so suppose they got the order today and they have shipped their orders after 3 days, 2 days, or maybe a different time, and they are willing to calculate these kind of stuff like days to ship, time to ship in a Power BI. So in this video I will teach you how we can calculate days to ship in a Power BI. So let's head over to my laptop screen. Okay, I will show you how we can calculate days to ship or fulfillment days between the order date or ship date. So this is our data model data set. This is basically the order info data sheet, and here we can see we have a two dates. The one is order date and this is a ship date. So here we will simply create a new column. So first we will type here in a new column. Okay, here we will name this column as a fulfillment days is equal to, here we will type date diff. Here we will give a order date dot date, and then we will type a ship date in our data set. So then we will give them interval we want to calculate. Suppose we are going to calculate how much time or days is the sense the order is not shipped, or either we want to calculate hour, minutes, month, quarter, or something else. So currently we are going to calculate days, so that's why we will select our days, and then we will press enter. So now you can see that this is our new column we have created, which is showing the difference between the 2 days, two dates. So here we will simply put the fulfillment days. Yeah. So this is actually showing the difference between the two dates. So suppose this was the order date and this is the ship date. Okay, thank you for watching my video and hope you will enjoy this video. I request you to subscribe my channel and press like button. Okay, thank you.